So we put it into config mode, which if you're not sure how to do it, you hold down the red and then the green, and you hold down the green and let go of the red until these lights both flash. So we're in config mode, and then we are going to hit to the right until we hit radio performance. So we don't want it at high, we want it at low. So I have to hit this button to hit low, or save, sorry, it's save power in this case. So save power, of course, is power saving mode. You don't get the same level of connectivity, but it does save a little bit of battery. So after we do that, we're going to keep moving until we go to, we just need to get right over here. So this is our transmitter power. So it's currently at high. We want it at low. Now this again might affect your connectivity and range, and you won't get the full performance of the TridentX, but you will save a little bit of battery. So this should give you a little bit of an extension here. So you hit the green button, as it says here, to save changes. Whew, perfect, your parameters have been saved. So now it's fully functional. So you just simply turn it off, and then you'll turn it back on again. So let's try turning it on with one hand, is always hard. Boom, it's on. So there you go. That's my little quick tutorial. Again, if you have questions, let us know. And if you ever have any concerns, questions, you want to just find out a little bit more about something, or if one of our products can be a little bit adapted for your needs, let us know. We're happy to make a video for you to show you how. So anytime, reach out. Thanks so much. Take care. Bye-bye.